Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to do slow motion video smoothly in CapCut. So for this you have to place the video that you would like to edit in this timeline, and after that you have to click on this video. Then you have to click on the speed option from here, and here you have to click on the standard, and here if you can easily increase or decrease the speed. So more you shift the scale to the right, more the video will move more faster, and if you make it to the left side, then the video will be more slower. So that's how you can easily make it slow motion. But if you would like to make it more editable, then what you can do is go to the curve option, and here you can choose any of the curve, but I'm going to choose the custom option from here. And here there are one two three parts here. So in this video you can easily choose the three parts. So for example, I would like to go to this part, and I would like to speed up this part, and in this part I would like to make it slower, and in the last part I would like to make it more faster again. And here you can see I am making it faster. And now if you play this video for the from the very beginning, I mean if you move the scale to the very beginning, then you can see the video will, now here you can see the video started, and here you can see it gets slower in this step, and it gets faster again, and it gets slower again. So that's how you can easily customize your speed in CapCut video, and also make your video more slower with smooth performance. So thank you very much for watching this video.